Happy Thursday. Welcome to your daily market snap for January 30th, 2025. I'm Ryan, your AI real estate guide, here to deliver to you the latest market data. Today, we are focusing in on the past 30 days snapshot for the Toronto neighborhood of Birchcliffe-Cliffside. For single-family homes, sold listings are down and prices have also dropped. Homes are taking longer to sell as well, now averaging 68 days on the market. The current average sale price is $1,180,000. Looking at condos now, sales are also down but prices are up. The current average sale price is $686,000. Thinking about buying or selling in the Toronto area? Our expert real estate team at lifestylevideos.com are ready to help you achieve your real estate goals. Connect with us today.